Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Starbound dedicated server for the newly released version 1.0. The first step that you'll need to follow is to go to your Steam Games folder. Now, unless you install your Steam games onto a different hard drive or to a different place on your hard drive than the default location, then this should be the location for everybody. The next step you need to do is to go into your Starbound folder. From here, you'll see two folders, Win32 and Win64. Now, depending on what operating system you have, you need to click the respective one. Most people nowadays have a Windows 64 install. But if you know you have a Windows 32 install, or you just want to use Windows 32 for some reason, then go ahead. But I suggest using the Windows 64 folder. The next step, once you're inside here, is to double-click the starbound_server.exe. As you can see, it'll be loading up the server. It'll be saying how long each process took. Don't even know what all that means, but, you know. And once it gets to here and pauses, the server will be up. Now, one thing I will not be covering in this tutorial is how to port forward. There are plenty of tutorials online for port forwarding, and who knows, maybe I'll do one in the future, but for now, there's not. So all you will be able to do is connect your own server. None of your friends will be able to connect, and this is only for you. Unless you want to port forward, then you can have a server for your friends. But anyways, so after you have the Starbound server running, you will go and open up your game. Okay, from here you will click the Join Games tab, select your character, and you will want to enter 127.0.0.1. You do not need a port because it'll just use the default port, which unless you changed it is what you should be using. You can also connect with your public IP, which you can find on pretty much anywhere. Just look up what's my IP and you'll be able to find it. But if you're just intending to connect to your server and not intending to port forward, you should use this. Anyways, from here you'll click Join Server, and presto, now you have a Starbound server all to yourself. Like I said, if you do want to make a server that you and your friends can play on, you will need support forward, and there are plenty of other tutorials out there. So, if this was helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you for watching.